Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. How are you doing today? Hey guys, guess what? I got my, finally, FABFITFUN. That's right, I finally got my box. It got lost or something in shipment. It did not get here as fast as it should have. They shipped it and then it just kind of like lost tracking, and I still have a package that hasn't came. So I don't know what's going on with FABFITFUN, but we're going to pop in this box and we're going to find out what I chose. This is my customized box. And if you don't know about FABFITFUN, it is a lifestyle box. It is $54.95 a quarter, and you usually get around a $200 to $300 value. Sometimes it can be way more than that. It really depends on the choices that they give you. They give you 6 categories to choose from with lots of different items to choose from, and they can range in price from $20 to $100 or maybe even more than $100. So you really do get your value out of the box. If you want to customize the whole box, you would become an annual member. An annual member is $199.99 a year, so you're basically getting it for $49.99 a quarter. And I think it's the best deal because you get to customize the full box, you get to order first, you get the edit cells first. You really get a lot of perks by becoming, I guess, a VIP or an annual member. But if you go quarterly, you still get to choose, but you only get to choose 4 items, and they pick the last 2 for you, categories 5 and 6. And you still get a lot of benefit from being a quarterly. And, you don't have to pay that big amount all at once. So, you just have to decide what's best for you. I have decided to do the annual. So without any further going on, let's find out what I customized. Now, I don't remember all the customizations, but I want y'all to know this is my box and it's packed full. And part of that is they've thrown in my add-ons that I purchased with my box, which this is highly unusual. Usually when you order a box, your custom box comes with just your custom items in the box. But my box came with everything that I ordered, which I'm gonna have to say a little, looks like All True to me. All True did this to me on the last shipment that I got from them before they went bankrupt. I had an order of several different things and they just tossed it all in and I didn't even know what was what. I didn't like it and I complained. And I don't really like what's happened here either, because now I'm going to have to figure out what's my add-ons and what is my custom. So that's the negative that I have for this box so far. I did get a magazine. So we do get the magazine. It gives us some cooking tips, some travel tips. They kind of show an overall synopsis of what you could get in your fall box based on what you choose. And of course, they're showing a lot more than 6 items there, I think. But it's just showing you that there's quite the variety that you can choose. They talk about the founders of different, businesses and or women-owned businesses that help out around the world with different projects. They give us some tips on the sleep routine, and in here you can see that we had these choices here, not all in one category. They could have been in different categories, but there was skincare choices that we could make. And then here's some more of the choices that we could have made. And they just tell us more detail about the products in general. And these were some of the hair products that they had available in this particular box. And then as far as lifestyle, they had a little bit of kitchen utensils and tools, which I don't think I got any of those. I don't need any extra help in the kitchen, as they say. And then in the lifestyle, we had some of these items. So it does give us a little bit, pictures and everything of what we could have gotten. But we're going to find out what I chose, and y'all just bear with me because I'm only going to do my customizations. Now, in customization number 1, I chose to get the VIO, V-I-O, Personal Air Purifier. This is purifier that removes 99% of airborne particles in the air. And I don't know, it says it moves pollen, dust, and smoke. So that's quite the, variety of items. And here in East Texas, we have lots of pollens. So I feel like this would be very good for me. I can just set it up in my office. It says it's quiet and it's HEPA. Let's just see what the size of this looks like. This is what it looks like. And it's got our instruction manual. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I think that's something that I'll really like. So I'm glad that I got that. So that's my customization number 1. And that was a $99 value. And just remember, I paid $49.99 for my box. The next item is customization number 2. And I picked the Watermelon Glow. I picked the Glow Recipe Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer. And this is a very good brand. And ooh, look at the packaging on that. That's so pretty. I love that pink. Y'all know pink's my favorite color. Oh, and it's a little pump. Let's try some of it. It is a serum. It's a moisturizer, actually. Oh, it smells. It's got a light, faint smell of watermelon. Oh, I love that. And that's going to look so pretty sitting on my vanity. Yeah, I like that. All right, that's a win. And then my next item, number 3, I purchased the ASN hat, or I chose the ASN hat. And this is the Harper hat. And that is right here. And it's a little mashed, so I hope it revives itself. Maybe it's one of those travel kind of deals. I did see where some other people had chose this, and they said they were going to request a credit. So I guess they weren't too happy with it. I'm not sure what this is all about. It's got these, I guess, these strings here. Don't know what that is, but that's like the tag. And let's see here. Let's see what it looks like on. It doesn't look too bad. What do y'all think? I wish this was a little bit different color. I think it'd give it a nice contrast if it had a different color going along there. But I mean, for overall, I think it's a nice little hat. Now, it looks like it's fine. Like I know it was like mashed, folded down in there, but that's kind of a good thing, because if you travel and you go on vacation, sometimes you want to be able to pack what you've got, and this will be very packable. So I do like that. I like that very much. And this is a fall type, cashmere type texture. I'm not saying it is cashmere. Yeah, it's not cashmere. It's probably cashmere faux, feel like cashmere. But it's very nice, and it is fall, and it will go with some of my other fall items that I have from other boxes, like Curator. All right, guys, let's go on to the next item. That was category number 3, and the value of this hat was $68. Now, the next item is number 4, and I chose the Luxie brushes. And there was a set of 4, and this has a $64 value. And we have 4 brushes here. Let's see if I can get this out of the package. They do have it sealed, so I'm going to cut that little thing off so no one's been in these brushes. That's kind of nice to know, isn't it? Yeah, when you get stuff like this, you want to make sure they haven't been handled too much or at all. So, okay, guys, so these are the brushes. Look at those. This is a nice little brush set. One for the eyeliner. I don't know if it tells us what's what. We have a definer brush, a concealer brush, a blending brush, and a short shader brush. So, and I'm going to say this is the short shader, this is the eyeliner, this is the blender, and this is the concealer here, I'm pretty sure. So those are nice brushes. They're kind of in a forest green color, so they're kind of in a fall color. So very nice. I like those. And you all know it's real easy to spend that much for brushes. Sometimes just one brush is $20. So my next item that I picked was customization number 5, and it was Skin Chemist Collagen. And that is right here. It's Skin Chemist. It's pure collagen, 5%. Is that BOMBAY serum? And so this here is a facial serum. This runs $39. And let's take a look at it right here. I just tore the box, but I think I'm probably, going to use that. Again, this is like a little, it's kind of got a pink shade to it. Can you see that? I'm going to shake it up a little bit. There we go. I think it must have oil in there because it wants to separate. So I don't know if that's good or bad. Anybody know that? But I will tell you this is going to look nice with my watermelon serum moisturizer that I have. So that'll be very nice. And that value again was $39. Now my next item and last item was customization number 6. And I picked Dr. Brandt Hydrating Essence. And that's what this is. So I went skin care heavy on this particular FABFITFUN. Overall, I don't know that I was overly thrilled with all my choices, okay? I mean, everybody has their different ideas. And this here is a serum. You spray it on, and it's a hydrating essence. It says it tones, smooths, and revitalizes. So I'll just spray some on. Smelled good. Got nice, it says close your eyes and spray evenly on clean skin, holding the bottle about 6 inches. So now I don't have clean skin, I have my makeup on, so I hope it doesn't fall off because I put toner on it. I doubt that it will. Sometimes I think the toners are just as well to use for like a mist to set your face as what they call a mister or a setter. I really don't know what the difference is. But that is my customizations. Now, I did buy one item. I added on one item, and it was the Indie Lee Squalene Facial Oil. Now, when I say add-on, that means that they have choices, like 5 or 6, maybe 10 choices per category. And I couldn't make up my mind, and I don't know which category this was in because when I went back and looked on customizations, it wasn't listed. I got it for $10, and it is a $36 value, and it is a squalene facial oil, and I just thought that I would like that. The squalene is a very nice product, and once again, I'm tearing the box. I'm not meaning to. Maybe I'm trying to open them the wrong direction. Let's see if I can get this out of here. Oh, look at that. That's nice packaging as well. And it's a squalene facial oil, as you can see, and it smooths and softens. So very nice. Yeah, I don't know if it has a special scent to it or not. No scent, which is good sometimes. Sometimes you don't want scents on your face. So that was my extra add-on that I got. And overall, that's my customization for fall. As a recap, we got the Indie Lee. This was an extra add-on. I got my Indie Lee Facial Squalene. I got my Collagen 5% Serum. I got my Luxie eye brushes. I got my Dr. Brandt Essence Toner. I got my Watermelon Glow Recipe Watermelon Moisturizer. And I got my hat. Yep. And I got my Purifier. So that was what I got in this customization. What do you guys think? I think overall it was pretty good, but I will have to say, for me, for fall in particular, I wasn't overly thrilled with my choices in general, but I am happy with what I did choose. So I will get good use out of these products, and the overall value of my box is $344. So for me, technically for spending $49.99 for this box, I got an excellent buy. And that's one thing I really like about FABFITFUN, and I like the choices. I don't like that they have tossed everything in and I didn't get a specific customized box. And I just want to show y'all just real quick the rest of the stuff that's in this box. I will say they probably did send in some Lumify for free and toss that in, or that could have been with that purchase. I really don't know what was what because they've just kind of tossed it all in. Yeah, I don't know. But we did get a couple of coupons, and they always do send in some coupons. And this time we got books for kids. If you want to order any books, there's a coupon for that. And then there's the Daily Harvest. If you're interested in that, there's a coupon code for that. But that is FABFITFUN for fall 2022. And I hope you all enjoyed it. What was your favorite? Did you have a favorite out of my customizations? Now I will do another video that will show my add-ons that I purchased, and that'll be at another time, so you will get to see what I chose through the add-on sale. But as far as my customizations, let me know what your favorite is. My overall favorite is going to be tough. I think my overall favorite is going to be the hat and the Purifier, because I am looking forward to trying this out. I think that'll be great to have, and like I said, I'll have it in my office. So I'm looking forward to using that. Let me know what your favorite is, and remember, I do have some giveaways that are currently going on. Please check my description down below. I will be having some collabs coming out in September, so be on the lookout for that. And that's all I have for the FABFITFUN Fall 2022 customizations. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.